Their commission rates to buyers agents, were dropping steadily from 2000 on. They've been coming down, and when the bubble burst, they came down more, but they were coming down from a point of 3%. And so they hit, you know, I don't know, 2.85% maybe during the bubble burst, and bounced back up to 3 once the market got a little better again. And but they've come down. So this vertical line is when they changed the rule. So you can see in that 20-year period before the rule change, the rates were already headed down. They went from 3 to above 2.8. So they dropped maybe a point and a half or so in 20 years. Now the red dots are the drops since the rule change. You can see they dropped at a steeper rate, or a higher rate, since the rule change than they did in that prior 20-year period. But look what happened. They dropped, kept dropping. It looks like it took about 3 years before they kind of hit bottom. Then they bounced back up. Then they've kind of, it looks like now they've kind of found their place. And, kind of like a stock, happens with stock prices. And so this is, now it looks like it's kind of settled things out over the last couple of years. And so, yeah, it's dropped to maybe, I don't know what this is. Looks like 2.5% or a little better, something shy of 2.6. So the point is, or my point is, would you call this commission rates getting slashed? I wouldn't call this slashed. When the rule changed, it went from maybe 2.75 to 2.55. It dropped 0.2%. I mean, that's a drop. It definitely dropped, but I wouldn't call that. I wouldn't say they got slashed. I wouldn't say buyers agents commissions were eliminated. It just, and they did drop at a faster rate.